Welcome to Car Updater, your go-to channel for everything automotive. Today, we're diving into the breathtaking 2025 McLaren 765LT Spider, a car that pushes the limits of performance, engineering, and design. The 2025 McLaren 765LT Spider is the ultimate expression of open-top performance. With its stunning aerodynamic design, lightweight construction, and heart-pounding power, this supercar offers an unmatched driving experience. McLaren has crafted the Spider with meticulous attention to detail, ensuring every element is not only functional but also visually striking. The retractable hardtop allows you to enjoy the exhilaration of open-air driving while maintaining the sleek silhouette that defines the LT family. Under the hood, the 765LT Spider is powered by a twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 engine that produces an astonishing 755 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque. This immense power is delivered to the rear wheels through a lightning-fast 7-speed dual-clutch transmission. The result is mind-blowing acceleration, with the Spider sprinting from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.7 seconds. The top speed of 205 miles per hour ensures that this car is as fast as it looks. McLaren has also refined the suspension, brakes, and aerodynamics to deliver precise handling and incredible stability at high speeds. What sets the 765LT Spider apart is its focus on lightweight engineering. Using carbon fiber extensively throughout the chassis and body, McLaren has reduced the car's weight significantly compared to its competitors. Every component has been optimized to enhance performance, from the titanium exhaust system to the thinner windshield and even the lightweight seats inspired by Formula One. The result is a car that feels nimble and responsive, whether you're carving through corners on a racetrack or cruising on the highway. Inside the cabin, McLaren combines luxury with a race-inspired aesthetic. The minimalist interior features premium materials like Alcantara and carbon fiber, along with advanced technology that puts the driver in complete control. The infotainment system is intuitive and offers connectivity options to keep you informed and entertained. The driving position is perfectly ergonomic, ensuring you feel connected to the car at all times. McLaren also offers a range of customization options, allowing you to tailor the Spider to your preferences, from unique paint finishes to bespoke interior trims. The 2025 McLaren 765LT Spider isn't just a car, it's a statement of performance and innovation. It embodies McLaren's relentless pursuit of perfection, combining cutting-edge technology with exhilarating driving dynamics. Whether you're a supercar enthusiast or simply appreciate engineering excellence, this Spider delivers an unforgettable experience. With production numbers limited, owning a 765LT Spider is not just about driving a masterpiece but also becoming part of an exclusive club. Thank you for watching this in-depth look at the 2025 McLaren 765LT Spider on Car Updater. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more updates on the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Your support helps us bring you closer to the cars you love, so make sure to stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching Car Updater.